Namaskar.
This is Dolon Kundu. She is a national level potter in India, practicing in her studio today. But she also works out of Bardhaman, where she works with 700 to 800 women who she's training to be able to be as skilled as her at some point in their life and have an income of their own. Today we are very fortunate to have Dolon with us to teach us how to make varying levels of flowers and leaves so that you are able to replicate it without her being there with you. So we will begin with the leaf. This is called pata in Bengali, patta in Hindi. So this is basically just a simple leaf. Now Dolon will create one for you so that you can replicate it. এটা ভালো করে দেখো তুমি পুরোটা দেখতে পাচ্ছ
এই যে হাতের প্রেসার করছি এটা উঠে যাচ্ছে
so as you can see, as she's putting pressure, the lines of her hands are getting embedded onto the leaf surface, and that's how that contribution of the potter into the leaf can also be read, besides being the veins of the leaf. Then just with a simple needle she's creating the venation of the leaf. ভালো করে দেখো উল্টো দিকটা দেখো so the other side is completely blank. And now the leaf is ready, and this now needs to be fired to become like this.